Hi guys, welcome back. So I am bringing you an IPSY unbagging. So with this bag today, I am going to be doing a try on too. So this is the February bag. If you guys don't have IPSY, I'm going to link the link down below. You can subscribe to IPSY. It's a 10-month subscription. And you get all these goodies. Sometimes they'll send you full-size stuff. Most of the times they do send you at least one full-size product. But so this time we will do a try on and unbagging. I did open it up so we can see what was in it, so I can show you guys and try on the products. So let's get started and we will do a try on. All right, so let's open it up and see what came in the bag and show you guys what came in the bag. So this month's bag is called Unzipped. So what they did, it says being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. And it's definitely not about airbrushing your images or beyond recognition. I love that. So it says this month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness. The IPSY way. So I can't Photoshop a video, so this is me. So let's see. So what's in here? So in here we have the Pacifica Beach Crystals eyeshadow palette. So this is a little, these are eyeshadows. So we are going to be using these today. So those are that. So we'll use those today. Other product that came in here is the IT concealer. So we'll use that today too. So let's open it so we can get it ready. So we're gonna use that. Use that one today. Other thing that came in here, it's a brush from Luxie, and it's brush 249. So you know what? Since we're gonna use it, let's get it clean with my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. So we're gonna get it clean so I can use it. And then the other product is it's from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, is the Apple Harvest Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. So that's this right here. Let's try that now. It smells good. It reminds me of old school lip balms, chapsticks and stuff. Like it. I like it. All right, and last product is, let's put the bag away. It's Eve NYE or NYC. Oh, Eve NYC Clean Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. So this is a dry shampoo, and it says cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer for all hair types. So let's see how this is. It smells good. And you know what? It doesn't leave white residue, and I love that because I can't stand when they leave your hair white. Oh, I like that. It smells good. I like it. I like that. I like it. I like it. I actually like that. It smells good. So we're gonna do the eyeshadow and the concealer. So let's get the concealer brush. All right, got my concealer brush. I love the Sephora concealer brush. The number's gone. Let me see. Oh, here it is. It's the airbrush concealer. You know what? The number's gone. I think it's number 57 maybe. I don't know. Anyways, so let's try this out. Oh, great. It has the plastic. Oh, there we go. So let's do that. Ooh, this is white almost. So let's do this. Oh my gosh, this is super white. Super, super white. Ooh, oh shoot. This is like ghost white. Oh dang. OMG. This is like super white. I'm gonna look like a raccoon. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Alright guys, I think this is like way too white for me. And you know what? This is not blending too hot. I think I need like a beauty blender for this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. This is really white for me. This is light. It's called light. So the texture is really creamy. So, and you can see that it looks way kind of white on me. So all right, well, that's that. Let's do the shadows. We are going to do, what should I do? All right, let's do the light purple. We're gonna do this one. I didn't plan this, so whatever turns out, guys, don't judge, all right? Don't judge. Oh my God, this concealer. All right, so let's do this. All right, that's a pretty lavender. Turn the brush around. Second color, that one. Meant to do that? Oh shoot. I don't know if it's meant to do that. I think it's meant to do that. So since it's so much purple, I'm gonna use some of that brown on the bottom. So let's see how this brown is. I haven't even tried it. It's actually brown, but it has like a little bit of a mauve to it. So let's try it and see. These colors are, the pigments are not that great. I'm not liking them. Colors are not super, like, I don't know, I'm not too happy with them, but it is what it is. So let me grab my liner. I think that looks better now that I did that, because I look hideous. All right, that looks better now that I put liner in the waterline, because the purple just looked too, it just looked, and when I was doing this I forgot that the brush had a blending brush. So here, and I was using my other brush. So we are gonna put on black liquid eyeliner. I think it helped that I put the liquid eyeliner, because it looked looks better. Okay, that looks a lot better. All right, so that's that for that. Okay, all right, so that was that eyeshadow palette from Pacifica. I was not too crazy about it because I had a lot of fallout and the pigment wasn't that, and I did have a primer on. For the lashes, I do the Lancome Sales Booster, which is the conditioner that goes on your lashes before your mascara. Then the Mansour Big. Is it Mansour? Yeah, Mansour Big, I think it's called. Monsieur. They call it Mr. Big. It's Monsieur Big. I don't speak French. Monsieur Big. Alright, so we are all done. This was everything that came in the bag. Well, not everything, but this was all the stuff that came in the bag that I can use. The eyeshadow, the lip balm, what else? Oh my god, what else? Oops, the dry hair spray, and the concealer that was pretty white. Now that I've had it on for a little bit, I think it's okay, but I still think it's a little too light for me. But I think once I added a little bit of powder, it was okay. But besides that, I think it's okay. So thank you guys for watching. What do you guys think of this eyeshadow? I don't know. I don't really see myself wearing it. I like purple, but I'm not a purple eyeshadow person that much. But purple does bring out brown eyes. You guys know that. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next IPSY Unbagging. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you guys again. Love you guys. Bye.